Now that we've gone over the different implements to use with your mixer, it's important to go over the different speeds of the mixer and which speeds are most appropriate depending on what it is you're making. Certainly, if you're using different beaters, you're going to be using different speeds. For instance, the wire whisk, if you're whisking something and beating up some egg whites, it's going to be a much different speed than if you're using the dough hook for making some bread. So it's important to understand what the different speeds are for, and also to take into account your own personal use of the mixer. If you're mixing something and it just doesn't seem to be either mixing right or it's frothing up too much, based on your own experience with the recipe, then you have to adjust the speed for yourself. So if you're mixing something on the lowest setting and things just aren't going very well, you might want to move it up to the second one. However, by the same factor, if you've got something that's mixing and it's at a higher speed because the recipe says to beat at a high speed, but you've got ingredients flying everywhere, you might want to tone it down a little bit, at least until things are incorporated. So this is why it's important we're going to go over each speed and what it's best for using.